Certainly. The similarity between the brain structures of cats and humans is a captivating topic. Let's dive deep into this. One of the most fascinating revelations in animal neuroscience is the structural resemblance between the feline and human brain. This revelation challenges the traditional assumptions many hold about the cognitive capacities of domesticated animals. At a first glance, the brain of a cat may seem vastly different from that of a human due to its size. However, when observed more closely, intriguing parallels become evident. In terms of overall structure, the human and feline brains exhibit remarkable anatomical congruence. This means that many of the brain areas and features present in humans can be identified in cats as well. For instance, both species have a similar cerebral cortex, the brain's outermost layer responsible for decision-making, complex thoughts, and emotions. The cerebral cortex in both humans and cats is highly folded, maximizing the surface area. Such a structure is typically associated with increased cognitive capabilities. Within this cortex, there are areas dedicated to different functions, many of which align between the two species. Another commonality is the presence of gyri and sulci, the ridges and grooves found on the brain's surface. These formations are essential for increasing the cerebral cortex's surface area without enlarging the overall brain size. Both cats and humans possess a well-developed limbic system, responsible for emotions, memories, and certain automatic functions. The amygdala, a key component of the limbic system, plays a pivotal role in processing emotions in both species. In humans, the amygdala is crucial for feeling and deciphering emotions like fear, pleasure, and anger. Cats, too, rely on their amygdala for interpreting emotional stimuli in their environment. Another shared structure is the hippocampus, vital for memory formation and spatial navigation. The similarity in the hippocampus might explain a cat's ability to remember places and navigate complex terrains. Moreover, both humans and cats have a pronounced prefrontal cortex, an area associated with decision-making, personality, and complex planning. This may provide insights into a cat's problem-solving abilities and its capacity for forethought. It's not just the structural similarities but also the functional ones that intrigue scientists. Electroencephalogram, EEG, studies on cats have shown patterns that mirror human brain activity during different states, such as sleep and alertness. Just like humans, cats experience both REM, rapid eye movement, and non-REM sleep. During REM sleep, when dreaming is most likely to occur, the feline brain exhibits activity patterns akin to humans. This finding has led some to speculate that cats may indeed dream, though the content of such dreams remains a mystery. The neurotransmitters, the brain's chemical messengers, also display strong parallels between the two species. Both human and feline brains use neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine. These chemicals play roles in mood regulation, pleasure responses, and overall brain function. This biochemical overlap further cements the idea that cats and humans may share more cognitive and emotional experiences than previously assumed. It's not just about understanding the brain in isolation, but in the context of behavior. Cats exhibit a range of emotions, from contentment to fear to curiosity. Understanding that their brain structures mirror ours provides a window into interpreting these behaviors. When a cat purrs, hisses, or needs, underlying these actions are brain processes somewhat similar to human emotions. The evolutionary trajectory that led to these shared brain structures is another area of interest. Despite divergent evolutionary paths, the pressures of survival, socialization, and environmental interaction might have shaped the brains of both species similarly. Some argue that the shared structures are a result of convergent evolution, where unrelated species develop similar traits due to facing analogous challenges. Cats, being social hunters with territories and complex social structures, required advanced brain functions. Similarly, human ancestors, living in intricate social groups and facing diverse challenges, developed comparable brain structures. This theory underscores the idea that cognitive and emotional needs can shape brain evolution across different species. Beyond evolutionary biology, the comparison between feline and human brains has practical implications. Understanding the feline brain can aid veterinarians and pet owners in addressing behavioral and health issues in cats. For instance, recognizing the signs of anxiety or stress in cats becomes more intuitive when we consider the similarities in our brain functions. Moreover, a better understanding of the feline brain can enhance the bond between cats and their owners. Recognizing that cats may have emotions and cognitive processes similar to ours can foster deeper empathy and understanding. This perspective can shift the way we interact with our feline companions, prioritizing their emotional and cognitive well-being. Scientifically, the similarities also open doors for collaborative research. By studying the feline brain, researchers might gain insights into human neurological conditions. Conversely, understanding human brain disorders can potentially shed light on similar conditions in cats. It's important to note, however, that while there are strong parallels, there are also distinctions. Cats have certain brain structures and functions tailored to their unique evolutionary needs. For example, the areas dedicated to sensory input, especially from their whiskers, are more pronounced in cats. Additionally, while the emotional centers may be similar, the ways in which emotions are processed and manifested can differ. It's essential to approach the topic with a balanced view, celebrating the similarities without overlooking the differences. Another fascinating area is the study of neural plasticity in both species. Plasticity refers to the brain's ability to change and adapt in response to experiences. Given the structural similarities, researchers are curious about the extent and nature of plasticity in the feline brain compared to humans. This exploration can provide insights into learning, memory, and recovery from injuries in both species. The interdisciplinary nature of studying the feline and human brain brings together neuroscientists, behavioral biologists, and even psychologists. Together, they aim to unravel the intricacies of the brain and its profound impact on behavior. The journey of understanding the brain is a continuous one, with new revelations and insights emerging regularly. The comparison between the feline and human brain serves as a reminder of our shared biological heritage and the interconnectedness of life. It challenges anthropocentric views and positions cats, and potentially other animals, closer to humans in terms of emotional and cognitive capacities. As science advances, our understanding of the brain will expand, potentially revealing even more commonalities. For now, every time we observe a cat's behavior, it's a window into a brain that, in many ways, mirrors our own. The journey of understanding the cat's brain not only deepens our bond with them but also enhances our self-awareness. By recognizing the shared structures and functions, we appreciate the universality of emotions and experiences. Please subscribe, like and share,